Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Today's video is a very exciting one because I'm going to try for the first time hair extensions. So a while ago, a lovely company called Doors Hair has reached out to me and they have asked me if I'm willing to try one of their hair extension set. I always wanted to see how it is to have more hair, even though I was blessed with having enough density of hair. As I'm aging, I noticed that the density of my hair is not what it used to be. For this also contribute to the fact that I had 2 pregnancies and 2 breastfeeding. We know that those are some of the reasons that women lose the density of their hair, and unfortunately the hair doesn't grow back as full as I used to have once. Before we're starting, I would like to give you a bit of an introduction of the Doors company. Doors, it's a rapidly growing fashion brand selling women's hair extension internationally. We exist to provide trend-driven, high-quality products from ethical supply chains that will turn heads and get you noticed. We are one of the few brands which designs and produces its own products. As a result, we combine both exceptional quality, which we carefully control, with unique trend-driven fashion. It's our mission to inspire women to be the best version of themselves. As I mentioned, the Doors Hair Company is a ethically sourced company. Doors extension have been willingly sold with the full consent of the donor, and that donors are given a fair and reasonable price for their hair. Doors hair extension are made out of 100% natural human hair. Also, the hair extensions are offered in multiple options for weight. You can choose according to your own hair volume. Lace strip is super soft and breathable, the softest and upgraded lace. They have 3 layers of hair, thicker, providing enough hair volume to achieve a full and thick hair look. They also come with a free tester weft, and compared with traditional clip-ins, this one fits better with the scalp. Now I'm going to guide you through the unboxing. They come in a light blue, beautiful packaging. You have here written Doors Hair Extensions, and here on the back is written, please reuse and recycle this beautiful box. So I love a company that is all about recycling and reducing the waste. And also you can see the size of the box is quite small and environmentally friendly because it's all paper. And when you are opening, on the actual lid you have written extend your beauty with Doors. And one thing that I loved, and I also mentioned it in the description of the brand, is that the hair is sealed. So you see here on the parts they have 2 seals, so if you break the seal you cannot return the hair extensions because of the hygiene point of view. But here on this smaller compartment you have a small piece of hair extension. Here you have also a please read me first. This is one of your full set of Doors hair extension. You could use this piece to test the color, quality and length of your new set. Please do not cut, wash, style or dye this piece until you decide to keep your full set. If you decide to return or exchange your set, this piece and this card must be included in the original condition. Also, you have here a guide. So this was very helpful because I told you that I'm a newbie on hair extensions department, so you should start with the 3 pieces at the lowest part of your hair, then go with the longest, with the ones with 4 pieces, and then with the 3, and the ones with 2 you can attach them on the sides. And also what I missed to show you is the fact that they are coming with a pair of hair clips to secure your hair, and also with an extra pair of clip-ins. The set that I got is in the color dark brown, chestnut brown balayage, and it has a length of 20 inches. It's from the hot selling collection, and this is 160 grams, 20 inches, 160 grams. So you can choose between the length of the hair and also the density. For my hair, which is still thick, I choose 160 grams, but you can go up to 200 grams if your desire is to have more thick and voluminous. So they offer 140, 160 and 200 grams. And you get in this set 2 hair pieces that have 4 clip-ins, 2 pieces of hair extensions that have 3 clip-ins, and 2 pieces with 2 clip-ins, 2 pieces with 1 clip-in. So you can attach them to the different parts of your scalp. Those hair extensions are a bit longer for the current length of my hair. I just trimmed my hair about a month ago. I cut like about this. I'm not sure if it's visible on camera, but it was longer. So if I would have not been cutting my hair, probably it would have been even better. But hair grows, and my hair is known to grow very fast. So I'm very excited that actually I got those, because now I can have the length of my hair back. And please excuse me, just it was the beginning of my experience with hair extensions. So yeah, there is that. So this is what the length of my hair looks like after I've applied almost all the pieces. I did not put everything because I was feeling that I'm getting enough density. But also you could see that there is a discrepancy because my hair is naturally curly. Meanwhile, the extensions are wavy to straight. So what I did in the second part, I took off the extensions and I decided to curl them. Before curling, it's recommended to use a hair protection, so I did that. I used this protection that I had in-house, and I curled them. Actually, I do not own a curler, so I curled them using a hair straightener device. But yeah, there is that. Those are the pieces, what they look before being curled and what they look after they have been curled. And today I have attached them almost the same like in the description. I put the 2 longest pieces at the bottom, and then I put the 3 clips pieces on the top. And what I still have to do, I want to add this on camera so you can see, because my hair parting goes to left. So that means that I do not have enough volume on my right side. So I want to apply this with you on camera. And also I did not curl everything. I just curled the pieces that I was feeling that I need. So now I'm going to, you should use a comb, but I'm just using my fingers. To do so, you have to attach the clip-ins, you have to open. They have a little combs, and then attach them as near as possible to the hairline, because they will grip. When you feel that they are secured, just close the extensions. Very easy. And to be honest, I have 5 hair extensions and I feel nothing. I feel that I don't have anything to my hair. They do not bother, they do not tag my hair. So this is what they look like. Even after I curled them, you can see the difference between the length. I'm sorry, but I'm not sure if I will be able to give you, maybe I will move the camera a bit further. So I'm loving them. I'm going to stay like this for the rest of the day. I want to say that I'm very impressed about those extensions. One thing I've seen other people do, they curl them after they put the clip-in. So if the clip-ins are not wavy or curled, you can also curl them. However, I did not want to curl my own natural hair, which is already curled, so I preferred to do so. But maybe next time I will curl them together. And one other thing you can do, of course, you can trim and adjust them according to your needs, but I will not do that. I will rather prefer to have my extension long. And what I haven't used are the smallest pieces, the ones with one clip. So maybe I will put one of these just to see or to show you. You can attach them here even though it's not curled, to give me even more density on the top of my, or the crown of my hair. I love the color. I plan to open a bit the color of my hair because now it's too dark for me, and those highlights are perfect because this is what I would love to be the color of my hair. Doors Hair, they also shared with me a discount code. It is Julia20, and that discount code, it will offer you 20% of your order. It's not an affiliate link, so I'm definitely loving my hair. And this is a before and after picture just to see the density and the length of my hair. Isn't it beautiful? And the laces are completely invisible. You cannot tell that I have something attached to my scalp. Okay, so this is everything for today. I want to give a big thank you to Doors Hair for sending me those amazing hair extensions. Please do not forget to check the description box where I have more details about the hair extensions, also the discount code and the link to the company. So thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. Do not forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile, and I'm going to see you really soon with another video. Bye!